Maths class, 9th class, chapter 2, polynomials and factorization. Exercise 2.2. So first question, find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 8 x equals to 0, x equals to minus 1, x equals to 2, x equals to 1 by 2. So we are going to find the value of the polynomials. First question is find the value of the polynomial. So let p of x equals to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. So first one is x equals to 0. So then x equals to 0, substitute in this polynomial, p of 0 equals to 4 of 0 square minus 5 of 0 plus 3, that equals to 0 into something 0 kabatti 0 minus 0 plus 3, that equals to 3. P of 0 equals to 3. Value of polynomial at x equals to 0 equals to 3. So next second one, x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1. So minus 1 substitute in this polynomial. 4 of minus 1 square minus 5 of minus 1 plus 3. So minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. So 4 of 1 minus into minus plus 5 of 1 5 plus 3. So 4 plus 5 plus 3, that equals to 9 plus 3 12. So third one equals to value of polynomial at x equals to minus 1 is 12. Next x equals to 2. X equals to 2, substitute in this polynomial. P of 2 equals to 4 of 2 square minus 5 of 2 plus 3. That equals to 4 of 2 square means 2 into 2. 4. 5 2 ja 10 plus 3. 4 4 ja 16 minus 10 plus 3. 6. 16 minus 10, 6 plus 3 9. Value of polynomial is 9 at x equals to 2. Fourth x equals to 1 by 2. X equals to 1 by 2. Substitute in this polynomial, p of 1 by 2. What is the polynomial? 4 of x square means 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 of 1 by 2 plus 3. 4 of 1 by 2 whole square ante 1 by 4 minus 5 into 1 by 5 by 2 plus 3. 4 4 will get cancelled. 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. So ikkada whole numbers 1 plus 3 add cheste 4 minus 5 by 2. So 2 4 ja 8 minus 5 by 2, that equals to 3 by 2 answer. Next second question, find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. Polynomial, first problem, p of x equals to x square minus x plus 1. Ikkada p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 ante x equals to 0, x equals to 1, x equals to 2 substitute cheyali. First p of 0 ganukundam. 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Zeros అయితే కాబట్టి 0 plus 1 equals to 1. p of 0 equals to 1 వచ్చేసింది. నెక్స్ట్ p of 1. x దగ్గర 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 square means 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 1 కట్ అయితే 1 వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ p of 2. 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square means 2 into 2. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 like 2 subtract చేస్తే 2 plus 1 3. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 కనుక్కున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి నెక్స్ట్ పాలినామియల్ సెకండ్ p of y ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 plus y plus 2y square minus y cube. దిస్ ఈజ్ క్యూబిక్ పాలినామియల్. Cubic polynomial. Degree is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. So we find the p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. ఎట్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అన్నట్టు. y దగ్గర 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. 2 ప్లస్ 0 ప్లస్ 2 ఆఫ్ 0 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 0 క్యూబ్. 0 తోటి అన్నీ కూడా 0నే అయిపోతాయి కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ 2 వస్తుంది. 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇన్ దిస్ పాలినామియల్. 2 ప్లస్ y దగ్గర 1 పెట్టండి. 1 2 1 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1 క్యూబ్. 2 ప్లస్ 1 3 వచ్చేస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. 2 1 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1. 2 1 జా 2 మైనస్ 1. 3 ప్లస్ 2 5 మైనస్ 1 4. p ఆఫ్ 2 y దగ్గర 2 పెట్టండి. y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. 2 ప్లస్ 2 ఆఫ్ 2 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2 క్యూబ్ దట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 ప్లస్ 2 అంటే 4. 2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎంత వస్తుంది? 2 ఇంటూ 2 అంటే 4. 4 2 జా 8. 8 minus this one is also 8. 2 cube means 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Answer is 4. Next, p of z equals to z cube. We find the 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Z at z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1, z is equal to 2. 0 cube means 0. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Next వచ్చేసి p of t equals to t minus 1, t of t plus 1. Here we find the p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. p of 0 means t దగ్గర 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 అంటే minus 1. 0 plus 1 అంటే plus 1. Minus into plus minus 1 into 1 1. Minus 1 is the value of the polynomial at 0. t is equal to 0. 1 substitute చేద్దాం ఈ polynomial లో. 1 t దగ్గర 1 minus 1 మళ్ళీ t దగ్గర 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0 of 2. 0 into something 0. p of 2. 2 substitute చేయండి ఇక్కడ. 2 minus 1 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 equals to 1 plus 1 3. 1 into 3 3. So next fifth problem is p of x equals to x square minus 3x plus 2. p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. So p of 0 x is equal to 0. 0 square minus 3 of 0 plus 2 that equals to 0 కాబట్టి 2 అవుతుంది. p of 1 substitute చేయండి. 1 square minus 3 of 1 plus 2. 1 square means 1 minus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 2 ఏమవుతుంది? 3 minus 3 that equals to 0. p of 2 at x equals to 2 substitute in this polynomial. 2 square minus 3 of 2 plus 2. 2 square means 4 minus 3 2 just 6 plus 2. 4 plus 2 6 minus 6 positive numbers add చేద్దాం. minus 6 6 get 0. ఇక్కడ p of 2 equals to 0, p of 1 equals to 0. వీటిని 0 of the polynomials అని అంటాం.